we'll guide you through how to create a Dropbox Team account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop and make sure you're logged in with your existing Dropbox account. Then, head over to the navigation panel on the left side of the screen and click on the Admin console. It's crucial to have admin privileges to set up a team account, so ensure you have the necessary permissions. In the Admin console, you'll see an option for Create Team or Upgrade to Dropbox Business, depending on your current plan. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the Team Setup page. Here, you need to enter your team name, which should ideally reflect your organization's name for easy identification. After that, you'll be asked to invite team members. You can do this by entering their email addresses in the provided field. Dropbox also allows you to import contacts from your email account to make this process quicker. Once you've added all the team members, you can decide on the access permissions. Dropbox provides options like Can Edit or Can View to control the level of access each member will have. It's a good idea to review these permissions carefully to maintain security and privacy. After setting up the permissions, you can proceed to the billing information if it's a paid plan. Enter the necessary payment details and confirm your billing cycle preference. Finally, review all the information to ensure everything is correct and hit the Create Team button. Your Dropbox Team account will be set up and ready to use. You can now manage files, assign tasks, and collaborate seamlessly with your team. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.